We have a candidate who cleared its interview round and technical and HR round, written test, everything got cleared and got offered from Accenture. So he will tell you about his experience with Accenture, regarding his written test, how it went on, how the interview happened and all. But before moving to that, if any of you got placed in any of the companies and would like to share your interview experience with us, you're always welcome. Please make mail to us that you are interested and we will contact you. So guys, this is Harsha. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech My Hair.
Hello guys, I am Sachin Solanki and today I'm gonna share you my Accenture interview experience with you. And I am from Tier 3 college, which is in Indore. So first question, he asked me to introduce myself, of course. And the very important question was, he told me to I have to introduce myself in very short time. So yeah, don't tell unnecessary things in your interview or in your intro part. Okay. So next thing he asked me, he was holding my resume on his hand, and he asked me which project you have done and which projects you are working on. Okay. So I mentioned whichever projects I have mentioned in my resume. I explained them all, and I explained with the all the what can I say, all the necessary steps I have mentioned there. Like first I gave a whole idea about the project part, and how many team members were there and what technology I used, everything you need to tell them. Okay. So after that part, he asked me how many team members were there in your major project. Okay, major project which you made in your college time or in your final semester. So and I told about what was my major project, and then he asked me what was your role in that project. Okay, so you have to be very confident about your role and what you have done in your project. Okay, do not just fake things. He will easily caught you. Okay, and then he asked me who was your team leader or project leader. So you have to honestly answer, don't just lie on your interview. Okay. So yeah, so next question was what difficulties you faced during lockdown while connecting to your team members. Actually, it was a technical plus HR interview. So he also asked me some HR questions, like only one question, honestly. So yeah, he asked me, what if we make you the project manager of our company? So will you say yes to us or not? Yeah, that was the question. Even I was very surprised to after heard of this question. So yeah, I answered definitely, sir. If company believes on my skills, I'm definitely gonna say yes. But first, I'm gonna take some experience or some guidelines with the senior person, and then I'm definitely gonna say yes. So yeah, he was smiling and a little bit impressed, yeah, I can say. And yeah, he told me that you have any questions from me. So yeah, asked about what technology will be getting trained on, and he was not aware of that thing. So he said whatever the necessary skills will be there or necessary projects will be there, you will be getting trained on. So, and the last question I asked, sir, whether it was HR plus technical or only a technical round. So he answered our team will contact you and will definitely let you know about it. Okay, so that was the whole technical interview, and I don't think so it was that much difficult if you crack the written part. So communication round, it was of six sections there. It was definitely for checking your communication skills, listening skills and speaking skills, and this type of easy, very easy, I can say very easy level it was, and you can easily crack it. Like basic English questions, there will be sentences you have to read aloud, and there will be your own words. This type of questions were there. If I talk about the written part, like there were 3 sections: English ability, analytical reasoning, and numerical ability. 50 questions from these sections, 3 sections, and 40 questions from technical assessment. So in the technical assessment, basics of also MS Excel and MS Office like will be there, and basic pseudocode will be there, and just basics of programming. Okay. And in the ability part, like in problem solving part, English ability, analytical reasoning, and numerical ability. So aptitude part, your English passages and synonyms, this type of questions will be there, arrangement and all. Okay, so yeah, total it was of 90 minutes and 90 questions were there. Okay, so if you could clear this round after the 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you will get the coding test link. Okay, that the time will be 45 minutes and 2 coding questions will be there. One will be easy level and one will be moderate level, not so difficult. Okay, so yeah, this was the first round which I have cleared, and then move to the communication round and then interview part. Okay. Written test will be a little bit difficult, I can say, but technical part will be very easy for you. So if you clear the first round, then yeah, like 80% chances will be there, you will be selected. That's all about me. Thank you so much for your watching.
Subscribe to our channel and click bell icon for instant notifications, and please do follow us on Telegram and Instagram. Links are provided in the description.
Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to our channel TechMahir. Thank you.
Video, give a big thumbs up, share it to your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon below for not missing any other.
So those who haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please do subscribe to never miss any update regarding job updates, placement information, interview experiences, etc. So please do subscribe, and if you like this video, please share this video with your friends.